Hey there, and welcome to 52 Rausch. This is right in the heart of the SOMA district. Beautiful two-level apartment. We're going to step on down to the first level first. This is where we have our kitchen, dining room, open floor plan space. Fantastic high ceilings. Lots and lots of room. This leads right on out to a patio. Nice full-grown trees. Everything has also been newly painted, and the floors have also been re-lacquered. We've got one bathroom just off the side here. And then we've got some storage and our laundry room tucked away. And then we'll head back upstairs where we have an additional 2 bedrooms. Separate baths. And then in this one we've got our stand-up shower. Beautiful, amazing work with the tiling in that. One of the bedrooms, lots and lots of light, as you can tell. Good amount of storage space in the closet. And then we'll head on down the hallway to the second bedroom. Again, lots of light. It's beautiful how nice and tucked away you are from the city here. Tons of full-grown plants. Again, lots of storage space. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you come by and look at it soon. Bye.